So let's say you're playing artificial selection and you start to realize there's a brief pause between every punctuation mark. How did Kikyo do it? Well, if we go all the way back to 2010 on the Lemmasoft forums, we can see someone ask the same thing. User Mihara provides the following code, which we can adapt to our own game. We're going to create a function, in this case it's called typography, and it's going to take input what? This list replacements is where we define everything that we want to update. Essentially, if we put a period space, we want to replace that with a period space and wait 0.2. The same goes for question mark, exclamation mark, and comma. The next part of the function is a for loop. Essentially what it's doing is it's replacing the value in position 0 with the value in position 1, and then we are returning what, which is being updated by this part in the for loop. And finally, most importantly, we're going to add config.say_menu_text_filter equals typography, which is the name of the function here. If we take a look at the RenPy documentation, we can see that instead of config replace text, config say menu text filter actually gets run first before translations and other substitutions are applied. This way, we don't have to do anything extra for translations. So, how does that look in-game? Atrocious. I'm going to be including the link to the original forum post in the video description.